Welcome to the first lecture on formation of steam. So we'll start our first chapter on formation of steam. First let us see the introduction part. What is steam, and then we will take up how the steam is formed. Introduction. Steam is a vapor of water when water is heated beyond its boiling point. If I heat this water beyond its boiling point, liquid phase of water is converted into gaseous phase to form vapor of water known as steam. So when I heat this water, what will happen? The water is converted into steam beyond its boiling point. Initially, it is the mixture of water and steam while converting from liquid phase to gaseous phase. So when I am converting this water from liquid phase to gaseous phase, initially it exists in both the phases, that is water and steam. And then we are converting from this mixture, that is water and vapor, into gaseous phase, that is steam. So converting from liquid phase to gaseous phase, and after the completion of vaporization process, it exists in pure form. So it exists in the pure form, that is, it is purely the form of steam. The steam is invisible when pure and dry. So we are not able to view it when it is pure and dry. It is used as working substance in the operation of steam engines and steam turbines. So हम लोग उसको स्टीम इंजन एंड स्टीम टर्बाइंस के ऑपरेशन में यूज करने वाले हैं. सो स्टीम डज नॉट ओबे लॉज ऑफ परफेक्ट गैस. सो परफेक्ट गैस का लॉज हम लोग जो कुछ पढ़ा है, बॉयज लॉ, चार्ल्स लॉ, राइट. सो इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू ओबे दीज लॉज, जूल्स लॉ, until it is perfectly dry and dry steam is further heated. So until it is perfectly dry, it does not obey these gas laws. And dry steam further heated, it becomes superheated vapor, which behaves more or less like perfect gas. So perfect gas जैसे वो behave करता है when it is heated, when it is further heated. Dry steam को हम लोग further heat करने के बाद it obeys the perfect gas laws. Now let us see how the steam is formed. Formation of steam at constant pressure or under constant pressure. So pressure को हम लोग constant रख के steam को form करने वाले. कैसे form करने वाले? Consider 1 kg of water at 0 degree centigrade in a cylinder with piston and weights as shown in figure A. So figure A I will show you now. So in this figure A, you can see I am showing you all the figures, but let us concentrate only on the first figure. So let us see the first figure now. I will show only this first figure. So I have got a 1 kg of water, and this 1 kg of water is filled in a cylinder. Piston is there, weights are applied onto it, so 1 kg of water is filled inside. So now what I do to this water, let us see further. The piston and the weights maintain a constant pressure in the cylinder. So piston and weights, whatever I am using here, are going to maintain constant pressure. When the water is heated, the vapor of water increases with increase in temperature as shown in figure B. So I'll take up to this figure B later. So now when I start heating this water, what will happen? The temperature of the water increases. On further heating, the temperature of the water reaches boiling point. So you can see the temperature of the water reaching boiling point. The boiling point of water at 0 degree centigrade at normal atmosphere at normal atmosphere pressure of 1 bar or 1.013 bar, but it increases. So the boiling point, after that what happens? At this pressure also you can increase the temperature. So you can see this figure B now. So as I am heating it, what is happening? The temperature of the water is increasing and thereby the water is converting into steam. Temperature बढ़ रहा है, फिर it is converting into steam as shown in figure P. On further heating, उसको मैं further heat करने के बाद क्या होता है? The water will start converting into steam. आप देख सकते हैं इधर. And the piston will start rising upwards because of the pressure exerted by the steam. With the increase in pressure, when the boiling point is reached, the temperature remains constant. So उसका boiling point reach होने के बाद क्या होता है? Temperature constant होता है. And the water evaporates, thus pushing the piston upwards at constant pressure as shown in figure C by increasing the specific volume of the steam. So steam का specific volume increase होता है. इधर देखिए, you can see here. So the steam, it is converting into steam and then it is exerting a pressure and it is moving upwards. At this stage, the steam will have some water particles in suspension. Such steam is known as wet steam. So the steam will contain water vapors in it. So therefore we call it as wet steam. You can see here. I'll take the again diagram. So in this diagram again you can see the water which is converting into steam has water particles in it. So it is called as wet steam. This process will continue till the entire water is converted into wet steam. So water is converted directly into wet steam now. And then further heating. If I start further heating it, what will happen? All the water particles are converted into steam. So I am converting all the water particles now into steam. This steam is known as dry steam or saturated steam. You can see here again in the diagram now. So the wet steam, water, again I am heating this. So everything is converted into wet steam. This wet steam is further heated. What I will get is dry steam or dry saturated steam, which is given by, the volume of that is given by Vg. Specific volume of dry saturated steam. Thus dry steam behaves like a perfect gas. On further heating, the dry steam is converted into superheated steam with increase in temperature as shown in figure E. So you can see now again the same diagram. This dry steam, if I further heat it, क्या होता है? उसका temperature बढ़ता है and it is converted into superheated steam. So again I'll repeat, the water is taken at 0 degree centigrade at constant pressure, that is atmospheric pressure of 1 bar. So if I start heating this water in a cylinder with a piston arrangement, so what will happen? The temperature of the water starts increasing and then this water will reach its boiling point. The temperature of the water will reach its boiling point. So when it reaches its boiling point, if I further heat this water, what will happen? There will be change in phase. Water in the liquid state will convert water into gaseous state. That is, steam is formed. And the steam which is formed at that juncture is known as wet steam, which contains water molecules in suspension. So this, if I heat further, this water is fully converted into wet steam and this wet steam is further heated, it becomes dry steam or dry saturated steam. We call it as dry steam because there is no water molecules in suspension. And then if I heat this steam further, from this boiling point, the temperature of the steam increases. That is, the temperature of the dry saturated steam increases, which is known as superheated steam. So in the next class, we'll see what are the different types of steams. Thank you.